Hello. Let me tell you, I have been trying for the last 35 minutes to film this, and every time I get going, my husband keeps walking back. He's like smoking some meat outside, but he keeps walking back and forth, walking. I keep saying, dude, when are you gonna be done? So I think he's finally done. And now I'm going to do an unboxing of my very first herbal press. Seriously?
Sorry.
We'll show the people your meat then.
Check out my meat, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that.
Okay, carry on. Don't knock my stuff. All right, so should I cut or keep going?
I say you keep going. You're doing a good job, babe. Look.
Do not come back. Okay, so I've been an at-home herbalist for a few years now, and up until now, when I'm straining my herbs, like here I've got some licorice root going, I've got some fire cider going, I love making elderberry syrup and a lot of other stuff, but I've been using the old school, you know, pour it out, or using this cheesecloth and doing the squeeze method, which is fine if you have a little bit of herbs, but once you start getting into, you know, pressing a half gallon or a gallon or two, it just gets really, really messy and really annoying. Like, I've been needing to make elderberry syrup for like the last month or so, and I have all the products, ingredients, but I'm just way too lazy to go through that whole squeezing, and it's a hot mess. And so I finally caved, and I bought my very first herb press. I'm so excited. So this is I think you pronounce it EJWOX, EJWOX. It's a 0.8 gallon press. And you can use it to press juice out of fruit, cheese if you make cheese, wine, and you can probably just like press it whatever you want. But I'm actually going to unbox it with you right now. And if you know anything about me, one of my favorite things in the world is to open boxes. Like, my husband doesn't even check the mail anymore because he knows like that I get really excited, like as if there's going to be a surprise in the mail or something. But opening boxes is just so fun for me. So I just want to unbox this with you and do a little test run to see how it is. See if you know, someone like me can put this thing together, or if it's kind of a pain. Now that I'm looking at it, it looks like it's pretty much put together. That's kind of awesome. Oh, it came with a little, hey. I actually bought a filter bag separately because it did not say that it came with one. So now you know that it comes with a filter bag. It looks like it's pretty much put together. And it has just one little instruction sheet and a warranty thing here. Came in this little box. I actually bought this on Amazon. When I bought it, it was $79.99, low price plus tax, and it came in about a week. I just looked today and it was 90 bucks, but I'm sure that price fluctuates. It says there's only 8 more in stock, and it actually went to the EJWOX, their actual website, and they're completely out of stock there. So this came on recommendation. I am in a wonderful herb school called Green Wisdom in Long Beach, California, and we have a really active Facebook group where we talk about all things herbs. And this is one of the presses that came up as the best in its price class. So again, this is about 80 bucks. I got the 0.8 gallon press, and there's also, I think there's a half gallon, a 1.6 gallon, and a 3.7, and it's stainless steel, and it's pretty sturdy. Like, I'm actually pretty surprised. I thought for that cheap price it would have been kind of flimsy, but it's nice. Cute color. I like red, and there's not a lot of parts. So I'm gonna check out this little handy dandy manual. It looks like there's not much to put together, which is fantastic. Thank you for buying it, yada yada. It's saying that you cannot press whole fruits. So you gotta kind of make a mash and then press the thing. It's saying don't let the children use it. I don't have any. My husband may count as one, I don't know. And I think that's it. It said, whoa. The juicer is delivered partially assembled. The exploded at the last side serves as a construction aid. What does that mean? I don't know. Saying to clean it, attach it on a table. You don't need a mount. All right, so it doesn't really tell me what to do. There's literally 0 instructions on here. But I'm just gonna unwind this because I'm gonna get this plastic off. Get your wine on, get your wine on. Okay. Keep winding. All right. Oh, hey. All right, so FYI, there are actually 0 instructions at all in this thing. Maybe there is online, but I think it's probably pretty self-explanatory. There is a little guide here as to what everything is, but it doesn't say like what to do with it. But basically, this is the big tub. Then this basket with a bunch of holes goes inside here. Throw this under here, bam. And then I guess you put all the junk inside. Actually, you have to put it inside one of these mesh bags first. It's a really fine mesh nylon bag. You'll put all your junk, your tincture, or I have actually some fruit here. We're gonna do a little experiment. Throw it in the bowl and then press. You do need to, I think what I'm gonna do is put it on top of this or something like it, we'll see. Bam. And it comes with this little hose that you attach right here. So that as you mash, your liquid comes out, and I'm gonna put it in this little fella right here. So, very professional, I know. We're gonna put this stuff in, we're gonna mash it. I'm gonna wash this out, and I'll be right back. All right, I've washed everything out. I even washed the reusable bag. And I believe all you gotta do is line this inner drum here with your reusable bag. Throw it in the bigger drum, the barrel. Maybe I'll put it on the outside. I don't know. Y'all, there's no instructions on this, and I'm just winging it. So, but guess what? If I can do it, anybody can. So, since this is my first time using this thing, and I wasn't sure if it was going to work, if I was going to mess anything up, I don't want to waste a tincture that I've been brewing for over a month. So I found an old pear that I was going to throw away anyway, see if we can make some pear juice. It was all fresh, but as you saw earlier, my husband kind of thwarted the timing of my video, so now they're all brown and disgusting. Maybe I'll make him drink the juice. Oh, also I got myself a cocktail. Ooh, yeah. This thing does say it's good for pressing fruit for wine, so I might have to get into the wine business. But anyway, we're gonna throw this right under here. Align this plate at the top. Make sure that you've got a little catching mechanism under here for your juice. And then I did move this. I had a little plastic thing here, but it wasn't steady, so I found a basket because you need to have some leverage so that the hose that comes with this is pretty short. So I got something that's more steady. So then you get to go on like this. The one thing that my friends on my herb forum said was that sometimes it's a 2-person job. If you want to get every last squeeze out, you'll need one person to hold this down and another person to move the crank. I'm just pressing like rotten pears. So I think I won't need to press too hard. All right, it feels like I just got to the pears. Oh, I hear some mashing happening. And I wonder, there may not be enough juice in here to get everything out, but let's see if I tilt, if anything comes out. Yeah, nothing at all. Oh, I see juice in there though. I might not have put enough. Yeah, I see now why you need 2 people. So, oh, there's a hella juice in there. Okay, now maybe there's enough. Oh, hey! I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's juice coming out. because I don't have a lot of material in there, it's just one pear. You probably need a lot more material to get a lot more juice. But this actually, y'all, I got pear juice, and there are no little niblets in there. There's no pulp in there. I'm drinking it. Oh, sweet Jesus. Putting that in my vodka. Well, this is awesome. I'm gonna get everything together and actually do another video on pressing some of my tinctures and my fire cider. But as far as ease, kind of the build, I give this thing an A. It came really quickly. The materials are great. It was really easy. I didn't have to do anything to really set it up. You don't even really need instructions. So for me, that's an A+. All right, y'all. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.